know what happens when we don't tend to the grief? Well, I'm going to start with what doesn't happen. It doesn't disappear. It does not disappear. What happens is it settles. It settles in our bodies. It settles in our relationships. It settles in our picker, what we use to pick and choose the things we do. So our picker can be broken by grief, which affects our bodies, our choices, our relationships. Avoided grief makes us act out. It makes us shut down. It makes us numb, detached, or stuck in patterns that do not serve us. But when we learn to recognize grief, to name it, and to begin to tend to it, that's when we start to move differently. Not because it makes the grief go away, but because we stop fighting it. That is the shift from grief struck to grief tending. And in these episodes, that's what we're going to get all up in. How to identify as a grief tender and how to move into skill as a grief tender. This is what we're exploring here on What I Let Die.